Question 24. In the multiplication AB multiplied by C divided by DE, each letter represents a different digit, and only the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are used. Which of the letters represents 2? So all digits appear once, and we've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. This means that AB can't equal DE, and therefore C is not going to be equal to 1. So I'm going to start by assuming C equals 2. Now, if C is 2, then B cannot equal 1, because otherwise E will have to equal 1 and they can't be the same. So what other can I have? So I can have B equals 3. If B is 3, then 3 times 2, E would be 6, which is not possible because we're only going up to 5. So none of these are possible if C is 2. We don't have any possibilities, therefore C is not going to be equal to 2. Let's have a go at C equal to 3. Therefore E is equal to 6. Can't happen. Nope, 9 can't happen. Now E is 2 with carry 1, so E can be 2 here. B can't, again, it's a carry because you've got 3 times 5 is 15. We can't have this because we can't have B and E to be the same. What about C equals 4? B can't be equal 4. And therefore what we've got here is B is 5, E is 0, and we can't have that. And then looking at C equals 5. And that's, can't have that. So C can't be equal 5. But I only got one option for E, no matter whether C is 3 or 4. E must be 2 with a carry. So we're either going to, it's going to be 12 no matter what. So we know that B and C have to be 3 or 4, and they have to alternate. So what have we got? We don't know A yet. We don't know B for sure, C, but we know that these have to be either 3 or 4. We know that E has to be 2, and we know that there needs to be a carry. So let's assume A equals 5. If A is 5, then we can if the smallest number that we can have is C equals 3, but 15 would be too big because we don't want to have a digit here. So I've used the smallest possible, because obviously if I use a larger one, it'll still be too big. can't have C as 3. It's still too big. We can't have A equals 2 because we've already used a 2. So let's go on to A equals 1. So we can have this, and then D could be 4. No, actually it can't be 4 because B and C, either of those two have to be 4. So no, because B or C have to be 4. So we've got this here. Actually, when I look back at the answer, it says what is E going to be. So the answer to what E is going to be is actually, sorry, which letter represents 2, and we actually found that up here. So E is here, E equals 2, and that's the answer is E. So I've taken you through the whole thing using assumptions, but actually we did work out at this point here that E had to be equal to 2. So we could have got the answer out just here. That was my mistake for working it all the way through. Okay, so we could have just gone that far and finished. I was trying to find the whole answer. We don't actually know, if you're looking at the whole answer, we don't actually know which way round B and C are. It doesn't matter which way they are, you still get this answer of 52. There's a carry going on there.